Today I'm taking a look at the Dremel Versa rotary tool. So there is the main guy. Kind of got an awkward grip, but the thing about it that I like that the other Dremels don't have is that it's a little bit more compact, which is going to be good for me. It's going to be important for me because we got to fit this in a tighter area. Yeah, so there's no speeds on here, it's just on and off. And then we got what looks like a micro USB port on the top to charge it. Rubber grip all the way around it, so if we need to, we can just like palm it like that and press on it. So that's nice. Oh, I know. So the one thing that this set has, because there's a couple different sets, is this comes with this extra little scrubber brush. So I don't know that I'm going to need this one, but this one came with it, so I figure I might as well get it. I can't see, it just threads onto the back. Just spin that on. There we go, look at that. Then we got this standard issue one. This is a bit wider, so if we're doing a wider area. We got our charging cable that comes with an AC power adapter, so we can plug that in. We don't actually have to have a USB port available to charge this thing. And we got our Velcro adapter. So it comes with 3 scouring pads. We got a kind of a soft one, and a little coarser one, and then a much coarser one. So these just Velcro on. And then we got this little cup. So the point of this, because we're going to be using this in a fairly messy environment, it clips on like that, and it keeps the muck away from the tool so we can keep this thing running. Now what I'm going to be using it for is for cleaning out the inside of these web detector sensors, and for that I got this. This is the Dremel Versa detail brushes. So we can see by comparison they are much tinier. So we got an extension, so if we need to reach deeper inside an area, like if we're trying to get inside of a wheel well or something like that, we can use that. We got this flat brush and we got this pointed brush, so depending on your application you can use whatever you need. Nice full bristled. That's good. And I just checked, and this is an M10 by 1.5, so if you wanted to, you can make your own little attachments for it. I'm going to use this one. And let's look at this one. So here, this is the before. And that's the after. So just the tiniest amount of difference. No, I'd say that looks a lot better actually. It's kind of hard to tell depending on the reflection. So I'm going to add some contact cleaner. Hey, actually worked pretty well. All right, cool. So yeah, overall that is a pretty awesome little tool. We'll definitely be using that.